Everyone online is suddenly a drop-shipping millionaire. Apparently, you can build an AI Shopify store in under an hour, spend $1, and start making $500 a day from your laptop. No inventory, no employees, no experience. Sounds amazing. But let's be honest, if it were that easy, wouldn't everyone be rich? So instead of believing the hype, I decided to test it myself. I gave myself 3 strict rules. 1. Only free AI tools. 2. Total setup cost under $1. 3. Finished in under 60 minutes. No team, no shortcuts, just a laptop. Step 1. Can AI actually build a store? Instead of manually designing anything, I used an AI-powered store builder that claims it can create a full Shopify site, add products automatically, write descriptions, handle fulfillment, basically do everything. I chose a niche strategically, not emotionally. Most beginners pick something they like. That's a mistake. You pick something with proven demand, repeat buyers, and strong impulse purchases. I went with fitness accessories. Reason? It's evergreen. It has passionate buyers, and small products are easier to ship. Within minutes, the AI generated homepage banners, product pages, policies, basic branding. Honestly, it looked decent. Not award-winning, but clean. And simple stores often convert better anyway. Step 2. The product problem. This is where most dropshipping stores fail. Not design, not AI. Product selection. You don't make money selling random stuff. You make money selling things people already want. So instead of guessing, I used a product research platform that pulls trending, high-converting items. The AI imported a breathing resistance trainer, resistance bands, golf accessory clips, cold weather running gear. Small, affordable, impulse-friendly. One product stood out, the breathing trainer. It had strong visuals, clear performance benefit, and viral style potential. Cost to source was about $4. Selling price around $13 to $15. Profit margin roughly $7 per sale before ads. Not massive, but scalable. Step 3. The hidden reality, traffic. Here's where most YouTube videos lie. Building the store is easy. Getting traffic is the real work. No traffic equals no sales. Instead of running paid ads, which can burn cash fast, I tested micro-influencer marketing. Why micro-influencers? Because they're cheaper, they have higher engagement, and their audiences trust them more. I paid about $50 for a short promo story featuring the breathing trainer. Nothing crazy, just authentic content showing the product in action. Then I waited. The results after 24 hours. Sales came in. Not hundreds, not thousands, but real sales. 10 legitimate purchases from customers. Revenue about $170. Product costs and shipping roughly $40. Marketing cost $50. Platform fees minimal. Total profit around $80. Now here's the important part. $80 won't change your life, but that's not the point. This was built in under an hour, launched with almost no upfront cost, operated automatically, fulfilled by software. No packing boxes, no customer calls, no warehouse. AI handled most of it. So, is it too good to be true? Here's the truth nobody tells you. AI makes starting easier. It does not guarantee success. The real skill is picking products, understanding demand, testing marketing angles, and managing margins. AI reduces friction. It doesn't replace business judgment. Could this scale? Yes. If you test multiple products, you reinvest profits, you refine your marketing, and you build a brand instead of chasing trends. But if you think this is click button, become rich, you'll fail. The bigger lesson. We're entering a new era. AI won't magically make everyone rich, but it lowers the barrier to entry. 10 years ago, building a store required developers, designers, inventory,
thousands of dollars. Today, laptop, Wi-Fi, strategy. The opportunity is real. The hype is exaggerated. Final verdict. Is $1 AI dropshipping a scam? No. Is it passive income overnight? Also no. It's a tool, and like any tool, it works if you know how to use it. The difference between people who make thousands per month and people who make zero is testing, patience, and treating it like a real business, not a lottery ticket.